Hello students. Today's learning topic is chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. First point, natural and man-made resources. And second point is coal. Okay. First point is introduction of natural resources. We use various materials for our basic needs. Some of them are found in nature. Now first, what is natural resources? The resources which we get directly from nature is called natural resources. Example: forest, air, water, soil, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Some examples of natural resources. Okay. Next point is man-made resources. Things which are made by man with the help of machines and technology are called man-made resources. Example of man-made resources are railway, bridges, dams, buildings, satellite, etc. are some examples of man-made resources. Okay. Next point is types of natural resources. There are two types of natural resources. First, inexhaustible, and second, exhaustible. Now first, inexhaustible resources which exist in unlimited quantity in nature and does not exhaust because of human activities is called inexhaustible natural resources. Example like sunlight, air, water are some examples of inexhaustible natural resources. Okay. Second, exhaustible natural resources. Various resources which are limited in nature and are likely to exhaust in near future due to human activities is called exhaustible natural resources. Examples of forest, wildlife, minerals, petroleum, natural gas, coal, etc. are some examples of exhaustible natural resources. Okay. Next point is fossil fuels. In this chapter, we will learn about some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. These were formed from the dead remains of living organisms, so these are known as fossil fuels. Okay. Next point is coal. Coal is an exhaustible natural resources and it is formed from fossil fuels. Yes, it is as hard as stone and is black in color. Okay. Next point is used of coal. Coal was used in railway engine to produce steam to run the engines. Okay. And coal is used to produce electricity in thermal power plant. Okay. And coal is used as fuel in various industries. And coal is also used as fuel to cook a food. Okay. Next point is story of coal. About 300 million years ago, before the dinosaurs, many giant plants died in swamps due to the natural processes like flooding, and plants were buried under water and dust. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed and the temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper under high pressure and high temperature. Dead plants got slowly convert into the coal. Okay. And as coal mainly contains carbon, the slow process of conversions of dead vegetations into coal is called a carbonizations. Okay. And since it was formed from the remain of vegetations, coal is also called a fossil fuel. Okay. And some useful products like coke, coal tar, and coal gas are obtained from coal after processing in industries. Okay. Next point is useful products of coal. Now first product is coke. It is a solid substance. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used to manufacture of steel, make iron and other metals. Okay. Now second useful product of coal is coal tar. It is a liquid substance. Coal tar is a black, thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in every life and in industries like synthetic dyes, drugs, perfumes, paints, plastic, photographic material, roofing materials, etc. Okay. Now, third useful product of coal is coal gas. It is a gaseous form. Okay. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal. To get coke, it is used as fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Okay.